Science. Who likes science? Okay, hands down. I wonder if anybody could tell me what science is.
Hello, I'm sorry to interrupt, boys and girls. I do apologise. I do apologise. I'm sorry. I seem to. This may seem surreal as it is. This may seem surreal, boys and girls, and teachers, and everybody else. But I seem to have lost my pet dinosaur. Okay, and I was on my safari in Africa, okay, and what I thought was an ostrich egg, alright, turned out to be this young man here. Now, I took the egg back to our lab, and overnight, Rex appeared. It hatched, because I thought it was a massive ostrich. Who would like to help me put Rex? Yes? So that the boys and girls can keep an eye on you and make sure you behave. All right. We do that for the boys and girls. I'll set him on you. Set him on you. Fantastic. Fantastic. Right. It's all right, boys and girls, because Rex likes custard creams and teachers. What's your name? My favourite dinosaur, well, I know that I'm biased, I know that Rex is here. Now, Rex, forgive me for saying this, buddy, alright? Alright. I like pterodactyls. Sorry, mate. Oh no, Rex, don't be sad. Oh no, Rex, don't be sad. It's just like a very interesting question. What sort of teeth Rex has got? Now, as you can see, boys and girls, they're quite massive, aren't they? And you've not brushed them this morning. What are you doing? Right. But also, it's all in custard creams. But altogether, Rex has got about 120 teeth. Now, that's not just here. That's at the very back of his neck as well. All right. But they are very, very sharp. I might have a pick. Ow! There you go. See, they're very sharp. So you've got to be careful, boys and girls, when you're doing them. All right. Cool stuff. And one last teacher question.
How old is Rex?
Rex is 6 months old. 6 months. He's only a baby yet. Do you think that Mr. Bland has behaved himself?
No.
You've got the rest of the week to decide. All right. But for now, I think he's behaved himself. So, Mr. Bland, well done. Can I have my hat back? Thank you very much.